A Dubois-Reymond spring myograph is used in experiments that record muscle contraction following electrical stimulation. This particular apparatus was based on a design by Cambridge Scientific Instruments and was manufactured around 1900. It is a beautiful example of the ingenuity of physiologists and the craftsmanship of workmen at that time. The muscle to be investigated was attached vertically to two small hooks. The lower one of these was connected to a writing stylet that had an adjustable ball weight on one end. The tip of the stylet contacted a smoked glass plate mounted on a metal rod. A weight hanging from the lower end of the muscle into a hole below acted as a load to stretch the muscle out. The mechanism was activated by pulling the metal rod to the far left, compressing a spring on its opposite end. A slight depression in the rod engaged the overhead frame, fixing it in the set position until it was time to start the recording. When an activating lever was pushed, the rod and attached smoked glass plate traveled quickly to the right as the spring was released. At the same time, two things happened. First, an electrical stimulus was generated by a lever that pushed a switch, breaking contact with an electrical terminal. This generated a stimulus which was transmitted by wire to the muscle, causing it to twitch, in turn moving the stylet and producing a recording on the moving glass plate. Second, another rod whose end had been inserted between two prongs of a tuning fork to slightly expand them was turned. This released the tense prongs, causing them to vibrate. The resulting fixed-rate motion was transferred to the smoked glass plate by a stylet to serve as a time calibration. The smoked glass tracing could be photographed or transcribed to paper as a permanent record of the experiment.